Security has been tightened in the Maoist-affected areas of Gadchiroli ahead of the polling for the first phase of the Lok Sabha elections. My colleague Vrishali Kadam with us on the broadcast. Vrishali, if you can take our viewers through the details as far as the security preparations for Gadchiroli are concerned.
Well, as far as the security is concerned in Gadchiroli, we can see the security has been completely tightened up over here. Gadchiroli SP also informed us that they have done a lot of elaborate preparation, and in not just 1 and 2 months, in last 6 months they have been working on this. 15,000 security personnel have been deployed in the voting booths, and almost 206 voting booths are here in Gadchiroli, and for that 16,000 security persons have been deployed over here. Not only that, but 6 Mi-17 helicopters of Indian Air Force are also present to monitor the situation. The heli dropping of EVMs and polling parties have been done in the sensitive and highly sensitive areas. Apart from this, they have also have a fleet of 130 drones that is going to keep an eye on them from the sky. So certainly the preparations have been made in Gadchiroli. They have also appealed the villagers to come out and vote without any fear, to make the election peaceful and successful. But certainly the heavy deployment of the police persons is over here. More than 15,000 security persons have been deputed over 200 booths, and be it a helicopter monitoring or the drone monitoring is definitely in place in Gadchiroli.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.